بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Click on the link below for the online test. When did Hazrat Hamza Razi Allah Ta'ala Anhu embrace Islam? 5th Nabvi. When 5 prayers became farz. 11th Nabvi. At which occasion Salat became obligation, farz. Miraj. What was the important event in the month of 13th Nabvi? Hijra Medina. In which night the Quran was revealed? Laylat al-Qadr. Which year is called the year of sorrow? 10th Nabvi. Which incident took place on the 24th of September 622 AD in the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? He migrated to Medina. When Hijri started? 12th Rabi al-Awwal of 13th year of Nubuwwah. After Hijrat to Medina, what first important thing Holy Prophet peace be upon him did? Built a mosque for prayer.